Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a review and demonstration and unboxing of this item. What is it? Let's see. And this is a device to protect your car. For those of you that have Dodge Chargers, this piece is manufactured by Destroyer 1320. I want to give a big shout out to Destroyer. Thank you, buddy. And I'm going to show you how to install it and where it goes. Now, you know that the Dodge Chargers, they're going obsolete. They're not going to make them anymore. And they're really hot. You know that the theft of these Dodge Chargers is on the rise. This item will give you another protection for your security on your car. Let's go to the car, show you where it goes. Okay, we're in the car. For those of you that have a Dodge Charger, you know that if you lift this little plastic rubber thing, this is where you go into to put it in neutral. Okay, so that the shifting lever can move. Now, it's real simple for you to do that. Let me show you where it's at. There it is. You remove this little plaque, that little rope right there, that little red rope, you pull it, and the car, the shifting lever, you'll be able to move it. You'll be able to put it in neutral, and they can push your car without even turning it on and take it. So what this plaque does, it covers it. It covers it up, and there's no way for them to remove it so that they can't put your car in neutral. That's another little step that you can take to protect your vehicle, your car. Let me show you how to install it so that we can get it installed. First of all, you're going to lift this up. There's going to be a connection right there. That's for the lighting up here. You're going to have to disconnect it. Once it's disconnected, lift this leather thing up, and you're going to find a bolt right there. That's going to be a T20. Remove it. And just lift this up. Now open these sides a little bit on both sides and pry this piece up. And there's the little red tab that I was mentioning. All they need to do is pull this, and you'll be able to move the car. So what this piece is going to do, it's going to block it. It's going to go right there, and it's going to block it from anybody to be able to open it up. You're the only one that's going to know that's there. And if for some reason you do need to remove it to move the car, you know where it is. Now we're going to have to remove this bolt and that bolt. And they do include two special bolts that are going to be going in. These are going to be, it's a special bolt that nobody's going to have that key in order for them to remove it. So let's just install it and remove those bolts. Both bolts have been removed. Let's install it. Let's install the new hardware. And there it is. You are protected. Now replace everything back, put everything back the way it was, and you're good to go. There it is. You can see that it's covered. Now let's put this little cover back on, and we're good. There you go. That 3M tape that you saw, it was just it had this carbon fiber plaque there. that I just installed back. But there it is. Now your car is protected. Now if you want to purchase one of these little metal plaques, I'm going to leave all the information right there. That's his website. Go to the Destroyer's website. He'll hook you up. Tell him Far Away sent you. That way you can protect your car. And this will be it for this video. I want to thank Destroyer. And also, I want to thank you guys. Have a great week. And I'll see you this coming weekend. Alright? Thank you very much. Like always, God bless.